be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always thought that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step a foot in them sneaker stores. Like, where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks that never would have seen you.
What's up, everybody? It's Big Roth TV, and I'm back with another sneaker video. Alright, now this one right here, this is the luckiest I've ever gotten on the Adidas Confirmed app. This was the quickest. I swear it was like 2 minutes. The draw started and instantly the pop-up came and said confirmed, you got it. I was like, wow. It was just completely shocking. But let's go ahead and get into it, man. I already took them out the box. It comes wrapped up like this, I guess, inside the box. So let's slide this sleeve off here. Take that there. All right. And as you can see here, boom, 3 stripes. Little logo there. I'm not exactly sure what that particular logo represents, but as soon as I turn the box, you guys will know. Boom. See the Adidas logo, and you see that bunny. You know what that means. Boom. Bad Bunny. Bad Bunny. Alright. These are the Adidas Bad Bunny Forum Power Phase, okay? Size 13.5. The unicorn size. Got these in the unicorn size, man. Not only did I get lucky in the fastest selection, but I got them in the unicorn size, alright? And the colorway on these bad boys is sand. Alright, there's a bunch of other colors, but sand is the main color, alright? So, let's go ahead and get into these. When we open up the bag, the first thing you see, or the box, excuse me, is a bag. Okay, so here's a sneaker bag that comes with it. Got the Adidas and Bad Bunny logo there. Nice details. Put your shoes in there. All right. Nice little drawstrings. Nice quality, man. Like nice attention to details, man. You know, I like stuff like that. I like the extras that you get when you purchase a pair of shoes. You spend your hard-earned money, and they give you the extras. And that's what I like. But of course, you all know how I do it right here on Big Roth TV. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Very nice. Very nice. Something different. Left shoe first, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The Adidas Forum Power Phase Bad Bunny. Yes, sir. That unicorn size. Man, it's a lot going on right here. A lot of nice colors. Nice colors. You can probably see that this logo on the back, this tab on the back is a little bit thicker. That's because it is the Velcro. You can take this off. So to me, that would assume, I would assume that means that there are another set of the Velcro somewhere to put on here, but I don't see it at the moment. There are extra laces. You see it comes with these sort of green laces, but here's a pair of the purple laces, and here are some black laces, and here are some, oh, nope, that's it. That's all the laces that are in there. There are other laces. Oh, am I wrong? Yeah, I'm wrong. I'm right. The laces that are behind there are the actual green laces. Those are some long laces, man. But black, purple, and these green laces that come with it. All right. You can see on the front, let me get the paper up out of here. Soft. You can see that the material, ooh, that's some nice leather. Is that leather? No, that's not leather right there. What is that? What material is this in the front? That's not the same material. It's not quite a leather, but it's a nice material. The stripes are leather. The stripes here, that's that leather right there. I don't want to say it's a suede. It's not a suede, but it's a clean material here. Going around, you see that blue there. Boom. They're called the Forum, but they're more of a power phase instead of a Forum. I know most Bad Bunny releases are Forums, but these aren't Forums in the sense of a normal Adidas Forum, okay? And then on the tongue, you see that logo. I guess that's another Bad Bunny logo there. All right, but it's kind of a double tongue. It's kind of a double tongue because behind that one is an Adidas logo on the tongue. All right. This, of course, this tag is your size tagging. I haven't cut it off yet, but that's your size tagging. And then on the inside there, you can see you have your Bad Bunny and Adidas logos on the insole. Black insole with the purple Adidas and Bad Bunny logo there. All right. I wanted to show you all a comparison to a regular Adidas Forum for comparison's sake. All right. So here is a regular Adidas Forum low top. All right. This is a regular low top Forum. This is the Midwest Kids. All right. And here is the power phase next to it. Okay. So there's a slight difference in the two shoes. Look at the bottom specifically. Look at design, logo. This is a true Forum. This is what a Forum really looks like. But this is more of the power phase here. All right. And then look at the toe box area. There, perforated holes and everything in there. All right. Just about the same thickness there, but look at the sides. Look at the sides. You see that? You see here? There's a difference. There's a difference here. There's a difference. This is a true Forum. This is a power phase. All right. It almost is like they wanted to combine the two shoes into something, but I still like it. I still like how this came out, man. And I think they use some very good materials. Look, the materials all around are different. Man, it's that pink is leather, but you can see that's different. That's a different material, but it looks like the breathability is going to be amazing. It's going to be amazing going around the shoe. Nice breathability going around there. All right, a little bit of leather on the green. But I'm curious, man, since this is this back piece is leather too, but that Velcro, this makes me curious, man, that there's another piece that I can replace this with. So we got to go ahead and pull out the right boy. Let's go ahead and pull out the right boy. See if there's another piece in here. Okay. Each shoe was individually wrapped, by the way. All right. Right. Shoe. Second. All right, we got the right boy out here. And let's see if there is anything there is not anything. So why is there Velcro? Did I miss it? There's no, I didn't miss it. You can take this off, but there's no extra piece for you to replace it with. That's a little odd. That's a little odd to me. I was expecting another piece to be able to replace the shoe with. So we'll get the right boy out of here. But yeah, man, you got your purple hit there on the shoelace eyelet there. As I mentioned, the stripes are orange on both sides. Boom. And your Adidas logo on the back. Not bad, man. Not bad at all. I'm kind of shocked that I was able to get these. If you can see on the lace, it says Bad Bunny on the lace tips. Right there, Bad Bunny on the lace tips. All right, I'm actually shocked. I'm sorry, I didn't mention that it says Benito there on the side in front of the stripes. Okay, I'm kind of shocked that I actually got these because each Forum Bad Bunny release that has come out prior to this one instantly sold out, and I was unable to get them. But for this release, I got lucky, man. I got lucky, so I'm not mad at it at all. Adidas logo there on the bottom. All right, very nice shoe, man. Not mad at it at all. I am a little confused as to why you would release it with Velcro here. There's no Adidas logo on the back of that, so if you just took it off, then it's just that. Like, I figured there would be one that's like a different color. Maybe you get an orange, maybe you get a pink or something, a black one if you wanted to switch it out. But there's no patches on the back here. That's a little weird. That's a little weird to me, but that's what's happening. All right. So I just want to do a quick video and show you these Bad Bunny Forum power phases. All right. So anyway, that's going to do it for this one. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly, truly appreciate it. More content is on the way. And I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.